Yeah, you can see where. Oh, you just took the whole tire off. Yeah. I didn't know that you didn't have to unscrew it. There we go. I finally took off the tires, or my dad did. So in the last episode, I tried sanding it with a tinfoil ball and water. That did not work. Don't believe everything on the internet. So I'm going to sand it with an 80 grit sandpaper, and then I'm going to use a filler primer paint, spray paint on it, and then I'm going to paint over that. So it's going to be smooth, nice and smooth. Now I'm going to put filler paint on it, filler primer. So I hung that part up. Now I got this one. I'm going to have to sand it. I'm going to have to sand this area to make it even smoother. I'm making sure everything gets smooth in there before I apply the primer on it. Okay, now it's completely smooth. It's time to put primer on it. Okay, now I need to let this one dry. Now I'm going to get the back fender off. Got it all out. The only thing left to do is to get the handlebars out, and then to get out the pedals, and then take off the brakes. And then after that, I could just grind off the paint and rust off the frame of the bike. So now he's taking off the pedal. Maybe. So we could get the whole entire thing out. So I could sand it and make it look a whole lot better.
I'll stand in that.
Sure.
Maybe it's the other way.
Now I'm going to sand off this fender and put some primer on it. This button's broken. Now I'm going to put primer. Looking really good. Sorry, I was in the shot for most of that. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please stay tuned for part 3, where I'll be actually grinding off the paint, getting the handlebars off and stuff.